Today marks 5 months since the death of Eric Garner at the hands of police. His death sparked massive protests around the country, including what are called die-ins. Well, today, 100 New York public defenders staged such a protest. They walked out of Brooklyn Criminal Court. Pix 11's Ayanna Harry joins us now from Barclays Center with another protest that is planned for tonight. Ayanna.
Yeah, John, those other protesters will be here in just about a half an hour, speaking out once again about police brutality. And as you mentioned earlier today, it was legal aid lawyers, and they said they know firsthand that often the criminal justice system, it is imbalanced and it is not fair. This dramatic demonstration began in silence within the halls of Brooklyn Criminal Court, but then they marched boldly through the streets of downtown Brooklyn.
We can't breathe!
Stopping for a die-in protest.
No justice! No peace!
At the steps of the jailhouse on Atlantic Avenue.
Shut the whole system down!
And in front of the Brooklyn District Attorney's office, there was one demand.
What do we want? Indictment! What do we want? Now!
But this protest was unique. The marchers were all attorneys, public defenders speaking out after a grand jury in Staten Island cleared Officer Daniel Pantaleo in the death of Eric Garner.
Mr. Garner was our client, and we wanted to show solidarity with our clients.
Bina Ahmed is a legal aid lawyer on Staten Island. Her office is located along the few blocks between where Eric Garner died and the 120th Police Precinct.
We see a lot of police brutality. We see a lot of then charges for resisting arrest when people are beaten to a pulp by the NYPD to justify the brutality.
We have been fighting this, injustice on behalf of our clients all the time in these houses where we should. And now we are very excited in many respects that the whole country is finally having this discussion.
We're placating to a bunch of demonstrators that are disrupting the hardworking people going through, the city, tying up traffic, creating hazards on sidewalks where we can't even get into restaurants at times.
Sergeants Benevolent Association President Ed Mullins spoke out strongly on today's Pix 11 Morning News, saying the anti-police brutality protesters on the streets are a small fraction of the millions of New Yorkers, and they're gaining way too much attention, especially from City Hall. Mullins maintains the upstanding officers who keep order and even protect demonstrators are the silent heroes in all of this.
The real truth of it is we have a lot of good cops throughout the country that are working to keep the country safe, and a lot needs to be explained as to how the criminal justice system works and what takes place with the public.
And you are taking a live look at downtown Brooklyn, that very heavy police presence gearing up just to make sure that this latest protest is indeed safe. And John and Tamsin, one of the major demonstration groups is the NY Justice League. They have a list of demands, and it appears one of their demands will be met. They will get an in-person meeting with Mayor Bill de Blasio that's set to take place this Friday. For now, reporting live outside Barclays Center in Brooklyn, Ayanna Harry, Pix 11 News.
All right, Ayanna, thank you. To the